Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix driver side stuck on heat GMC Sierra, updated. Start by testing the blend door actuator, vacuum lines, and manual linkages to pinpoint where airflow is trapped. Remove the glove box and inspect actuator wiring for damage and loose connectors. If the actuator fails to move, replace it and verify the temperature control motor operates across the full range. Begin by disconnecting the battery to prevent shorts and accidental activation. Remove the glove box and lower dash trim to reach the blend door actuator on the driver side. Unplug the electrical connector and remove the mounting screws, keeping orientation marks for reinstallation. Compare the old actuator to the new unit and swap them, then reconnect the battery and test temperature response with the engine running. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future uploads. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle, which seals tightly and fits cup holders during long repair sessions, making wrenching more comfortable. I find it handy on garage floors and road trips alike, and it cleans easily between jobs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Verify vacuum supply and control cables next, since vacuum leaks often cause driver side heat issues. Trace hoses from the intake manifold to the HVAC unit, feeling for soft spots or audible leaks. Operate the temperature and mode selectors while observing actuator movement to confirm signal transmission. Replace any brittle lines or faulty control switches, then retest the system to ensure warm air directs correctly to the driver vents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.